everyone, welcome to 4-dimensional Infotech. In the last video, we have seen that the module 2, that is variables and data types. Now today, we will learning about the module 3 and module 4. In module 3, we have to learn that operators and expression, as well as in the module 4, we have to see that conditional statement. So now, we will start it. Operators. Operators are like tools that helps Python to work on numbers or values. For example, just like we press the addition button on a calculator to add the numbers, we use the plus symbol in Python to add the two values. So, Python uses the symbols like addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. to perform the tasks in a program. Next one is arithmetic operators. These operators are used for the mathematical calculations. For that, the symbols used as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, power, remainder, whole divisions. So these are the symbols, and their uses and their real life examples is given in that tabular form. So these are just like a calculator buttons. Next one is assignment operator. These are used to store or update the values in a variables. So the assignment operator symbols are equal to, for the assigning values. Then adding to existing value, there is the symbol like plus equal to, minus equal to, multiply equal to. So these are the symbols of the assignment operator. It is actually used for the updating the data. These operators help you to update the data. Next one is the comparison operator. It is used to compare the two values, and it gives the value in the form of true or false, that is the Boolean values. So in the table there are the symbols are given: equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So these are the symbols are used for the comparison operators. It is helping for the decision making statement. Next one is the logical operator. It is used to combine the multiple conditions. So for that operators like and or not. So and is used for if both the conditions are true. If it must be true, at that time and operator is used. Or operator is used at least one is true. If there one condition is true, at that time or operator is used. Not for the opposite statement. It is used when you want to check more than one thing. At that time we use the logical operators. Next operator is bitwise. These are binary operations used in hardware, electronics, encryption, decryption, like that. For that, the operators use like as, and, not, or, shift, etc. So it is mostly used in advanced systems, or we can say that in the embedded programming. Next one is identity operator. It is used to check if two variables are same object in a memory. So for that, the operators like is not. So this identity operator is not just same values but same memory object. Next one is membership operator. It is used to check if something exists in a group like list or a string. So the operator is like in, not in. These are the operators. It is used to check if value is a part of list, string or a set. And last operator is operator precedence. It is just like a math rule. You know that Bodmas rule? Python has the order of operation. So we know that in Bodmas rule there is some rule, some conditions like first of all division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtractions. Means step by step it can perform the other operations. So in operator precedence there are some priorities given. For the brackets, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction, like this. So it is help in Python to decide which operations to do first. That's why there is a precedence operator is used. So these all are 8 types of operators. We know that now how we can use them with the Python programming code, also in the real life example. So conditional statements. In a real life, we make decisions all the times, like what to wear, what to eat, or where to go. So it is based on the condition. So in the programming, we do the same using the conditional statements like if else, and so on. So for example, like if it is raining, take an umbrella. If marks is greater than 35, then you pass, otherwise you fail. So these are the some conditional statements. So first, if statement. If is like saying, if something is true, then do something, otherwise do nothing. For example, if your age is above 18, you can vote. If your age is 18, you can vote, and you are eligible to vote. We get the output like as you are eligible to vote. Next one is if-else statement. If else is used when we want to choose between the two options, one if the condition is true and another if the condition is false. For example, if the temperature is more than 30 degrees Celsius, wear a cap, else there is a no need. Next, if elif else statement. Okay, so if elif else is used when there are the multiple conditions are used, not just two. Okay, so when we use the multiple condition, at that time we use this statement. For example, it is based on the mark. If marks is greater than 75, then output like as it is the distinction. If mark is greater than 35, then we can get the output as a pass, else it will print the fail output. Next, nested if statement. Sometimes we need to check one condition inside another. This is called as the nested if. For example, using an ATM card. If the card is inserted, check the pin. If the pin is correct, it allows for the transaction. So these all about the conditional statement. We can revise now. If is used when there is only one condition. For example, if it's sunny, go for the walk. If else condition is used when there are the two possibilities. If it's Sunday, sleep late, else wake up early. Third one is if elif else statement. It is used when more than two choices are there. If it's 1 p.m., then lunch at 8 p.m. If it's 1 p.m., then lunch. If it's 8 p.m., then dinner, else snack. Okay, so this type of example can be happen for the if elif else statement. Next one is nested if. So it is used when one condition inside the another condition. For example, if teacher is in a class, if you are late, you want to say sorry. This is all about the module 3 and module 4. That is, what are the operators and their expressions, as well as what are the conditional statements. Now, in the upcoming video, we will learning about the module 5, that is string and string method. So until then, keep coding and keep learning.